Hi everyone, you all are complaining in my previous video where you have faced problem with token and limit, but in today's video I have came here with different approach where one platform provide you the credit base. It will take just one credit to build one complete project. At the same time it will take same amount of credit to say hi. Do you want to explore? Then first go to your favorite browser and search for ClickUp. This is the official website clickup.com. Get started with free. Enter your Gmail here and sign up for free. Provide your name. I'll provide Naveen and I'll set my passport. It will ask to verify with the verification code where it will send you in your email. Provide it and now you are ready to use. I'll select for personal. Okay, next. Anything for YouTube. Next. Skip these steps. AI. Next. Finish. Now account creation process will be completed. This is the onboarding screen. Okay, this is the overview home screen of the ClickUp. Then let's ignore remaining all things. Here with the AI section, click on this AI section here. Then boom, you are ready to use. Here you can get Claude Opus 4.8 for free. At the same time, you are also able to access some other intelligence model as well. Let's try Claude Opus 4.8 and here you can see it will provide free 50 credit. Okay, I'll show you the magic here. First, just say hi. You can see it will takes our 1 credit. When we have asked question hi, it will takes 1 credit from us. If you build one complete project, then still it will takes only 1 credit. Okay, I'll show you the demo here. I want to ask one question, which is, can you build a one landing page for my university? Take any name. Here I'll give one simple prompt. Can you build one landing page for my university? Take any random university name. Okay, then let's see, it will build one complete landing page for my university and it will take only 1 credit. Can say it will already use my 1 credit for this prompt, and at the completion of this project it will not take any other credit until it will complete this. Let's wait, I will show you. The website is ready. Okay, let's see the website of the university. Okay, see it, man. Okay, this is the landing page of the university. Do you imagine? From 1 credit you can build this type of awesome landing page from one simple prompt. I have provided just one line prompt. Can you build a landing page for one university? Then it will build this all. And best part is it will take only 1 credit. You have remaining 48 credit. By this way, you can use this awesome platform. Here you can also invite your friend or your team member as well. Not only Claude Opus, you can also get access of some other Anthropic model, GPT model and Gemini model as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. We will meet you on the next tutorial. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding!